Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon. So in the last class, I have given you question number 21B, homework. Yes? And how many children have completed? Can you raise your hand?
Ma'am, I completed.
Yes. Some children, they felt they were having lunch and feeling sleepy and they were sleeping.
No, what is that?
No?
No, ma'am.
Most of them have completed. Yes? Now,
Yes.
what we are going to do, now we are going to check whether our answer is correct or wrong. Okay,
Okay,
Angelina.
ma'am.
Last time she was muted, no? So she was ready with the answer now. Okay. Yes, Angelina. Which number is missing in the first row?
6.
First row. Huh?
6.
6? Is it 6? In the first row. Answer.
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Anusri, tell me the answer.
Ma'am.
In the first row, which number is missing?
Ma'am.
Huh? First row.
8 is missing.
8 is missing. Angela is telling 6 is missing. Is there any
Ma'am.
other answer?
Ma'am, you told I thought it's last row.
No, I said first row.
Okay, ma'am.
First row, 8 is missing. Okay. In the second row, what are the 3 numbers? What are the numbers?
0.
0,
0. 6.
6,
2.
2. Okay, 0, 6, 2. Children, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then in the answer, the
Right?
last
Ma'am. 2, 5.
2, 5.
Ma'am, 2, 6. No, ma'am.
We will check the answer. Okay, all the children, those who have done, some children, they were just relaxing after the class, they had their lunch, they were sleeping, and some children, they want to complete. So we will do that question, and those who have done, please check.
Okay, ma'am.
So the question is question number 21B. Children, we are going to finish this chapter now. Okay, 21B. So, is there any missing questions or answers that is there? You can complete by today. 2832. Question is 2832. Can you please be mute? 87. 87. So, Anusri, we can do together. Anusri, tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
7 twos are. 7 twos are. Start from
14.
14. 1 carryover.
7 twos are 14 carry over. 3 into 7 is equal to 21.
21 plus 1.
Plus 1 is equal to 22.
Carryover is 2.
Carry over 2. Carry over 2.
7 into 8.
7 into 8 is equal to 56.
Plus 2.
56 plus 2 is equal to 58.
58. 5 carryover.
5
7 twos are 14 plus 5.
Plus 5. 14 plus 5 is equal to 19.
19. So here, children, this is 9. Now 1, 9, 8, 2, 4. So here, which one was missing? 8. 8 was missing. So those children who have completed your answer, check whether you got correct answer. Okay, in the second line. Anusri, complete. We will start with 0.
0.
8 into 2.
8 into 2 is equal to 16.
16. Carryover is 1.
Yes, ma'am.
8 into 3.
8 into 3 is equal to 24.
4 plus 1, 25.
25.
Carryover is 2.
This one is equal to 25.
8 into 8.
8 into 8.
8 into 8. 64.
4.
4 plus 2. 64 plus 2. 66. 6 is carry over.
Carry over.
Then 2 into 8.
2 into 8 is equal to 16.
16 plus 6.
Plus 6.
Mama, I can't hear you.
Who is that?
Alim.
Huh?
Alim.
Alim. Alim, please check
Mama, I
your
can hear
video.
you.
Okay. I am not saying the answer. Anusri is saying the answer. Okay. So, Anusri,
What?
which are the numbers missing now?
Excuse me, ma'am.
What?
Excuse me, ma'am.
1 minute.
Second row. Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, children, yes.
Ma'am. In second row. Ma'am,
1
in
minute.
the participants list, I looked at Alim, and when I looked, there was someone named as 9 into 9 into 9 into. Richard, ma'am. Richard.
Richard. Okay. So, children, are you able to see and hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, I think there is some disturbance in their network. So, children, now please check in row 2. Which one was missing? Here we have 2 is missing, and here 6 is missing, and 0 also. We have 3 numbers. Okay. Anusri, can we add? Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Please add and tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. 4 into 0 is equal to 4.
It's adding 4 plus 0.
4 plus 0 is equal to 4.
4.
6 plus 2 is equal to 8.
Yes.
8 plus 5 is equal to 13.
13.
Carry over 1.
1
1.
plus 9.
1 plus 9 is equal to 10. And 10 plus 6 is
6.
equal to 16.
16.
Carry over
1.
1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 2
is 4. And last here we can write 2. So the answer is 2, 4, 6, 3, 8, 4. Okay. So children, here which one was missing? 2 and 6. Angelina, please check whether is it 6 or 5. Please unmute and tell me. Did you understand your mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
The last
Ma'am, I did
line.
not add the carryover.
Add the carryover. Okay. So children, please check whether your answer, what was missing here. 8 was missing. And in the
Only
second row,
6.
2, 6 and 0. These 3 numbers were missing. And in the last, we have the answer in that. We have 2 and 6. These numbers were missing. And I hope all the children were completed now. Okay. Those who have completed, did you check your answers? Whether
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
correct or wrong?
Yes.
Yes. And those who had mistake, I hope all of you have made it correct. Okay, children. Can we do the last question?
Yes,
Last
ma'am.
question.
Yes, ma'am.
All yes, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, please mute and Harsha read the. Please unmute and read the last question. We are going to finish this chapter now.
Observe the pattern and write the next 2 terms.
2 terms. Okay. Observe the pattern and write the next 2 terms. Okay. Yes, tell me 7 into 7.
7 into 7.
49. 67 into 67.
7.
And did you get any idea what will be coming next without children, without actually multiplying, looking only the numbers as like pattern, you have to find the next number. Okay.
Ma'am, 6,600.
I will write there and Harsha, I will ask you. Okay. So children, if we know multiplication, we can do. But here the question is without multiplying, we have to look at the patterns and write the next 2 terms. Okay, next 2 terms. Okay, next 2 terms. So first one is question number 22A, that we have 7 into 7. All the children know that is 7 into 7 is 49. There is no doubt. Now we have 6, 7 into again 6, 7. Here we have, which one is repeating? 4 is repeating 2 times. Okay, I can see Anusi has written the answer. Please check. Okay, 8, 9. So which one is missing? It's 6, 7. Here 4 is repeating 2 times, and in front of 9, 8 is coming. And the next is number, how the pattern moves, we can observe. 6, 6, 7 multiplied by again 6, 6, 7. How the pattern is, it's 4 is repeating now. How many times? 3 times. Then comes 8, 2 times, and 9. Okay. Now, Harsha, we are going to find the patterns. Next 2 numbers. So here we have 6 in the first. There is no 6, but in the second number we have 1 6. In the second and third number we have 2 6. So how it will be moving? Harsha, any idea? Question? Yes. Adil, can you please unmute and tell me how this pattern will be? Adil. Please unmute, Adil. Amna, please unmute, Amna. What's the problem here? Please let me mute. And I want all the children to keep quiet, only the person. Adil, please unmute and tell me.
And can I tell?
Please be quiet. I'm calling by name. Okay, Anandesh, Anandesh. All of us, please be quiet. Okay, Anandesh, here 6 is repeating 1 time, here 2 times. So how the pattern will be
Ma'am, I
moved?
know the answer.
Ma'am, how many 6 are there? That much 48 we should.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Tell me the next number, Anandesh.
Ma'am, can I?
Here 2, 6. So in the next 2, how many will be 6? How many 6 will be there?
3 6.
3, 6. Okay, 7 is only 1 time. Here the same number we are taking. 3, 6. Very good. And 7. Okay, here 4, how many times?
4.
Here we have 3. So there will be 4. Okay, very good. And what about 8?
3 8.
3, 8. Here we have only 2, 8. So here it will be 3, 8. And the last number is 9. Okay,
Ma'am, can I say
Excuse
the
me,
next one?
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we should write the question also.
Question also. We have to write the pattern, no?
Ma'am, this we should write in the workbook.
Yes, work.
Space given.
Yes, work.
Can we
All the
write,
children,
start
please.
writing?
I know the next answer.
Yes.
Ma'am, I know the next answer.
Okay, then complete this now. I will ask one by one. Children, there is disturbance. Nobody will understand. Okay, Blesswin. Please unmute and tell me one more. What will be coming next? Blesswin. Unmute, Blesswin. Yes. Here we have 3, 6. So what about the next number? How many 6 will be there? 4. It's not audible. Are you using the speaker? 4. We have 6. 4 times. Then 7. Same number we have to multiply again. 6 4 times, then 7. Okay. Here we have how many? 4.
5.
5. We have to write here. 5 4. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. What about here? We have here 3 8. So it will be 4 8. 1 2 3 4. And the last number is 9 itself. Okay, children, those who have done, please check whether how the patterns move. Here in the first 7 into 7, 49. Here we are getting one number less, 67. Same number we are multiplying. So 4 is repeating 2 times and 8 one time, then 9. So in our next pattern, we have 2, 6 and 7. So same number we are multiplying. So here 2, 4. So in the next number we have 3, 4 and 2, 8. And the last we are just writing that number 9. Okay, so here 3, 6. So in the last number we have 4, 6. So same number we are multiplying. So here 4 is increasing by 1. Like here 2, 4. In the next number we have 3, 4. So in the next pattern we have 4, 4. So in the last number we have 5 4s. Then here what is repeating here? 8 also repeating. In the first number 8 is 1 time, second we have 2 times, then 3 times, 4 times. Okay, so this we are writing without multiplying. Without multiplying, looking at the pattern, how the pattern is moving, we are able to predict the answer. Okay, children, is there any doubt?
No.
All of you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So question number B.
Yes, ma'am.
Do alone now. Question number B. Write with pencil.
Can I say the answer? Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can I say the answer?
2 minutes. Let everyone finish. Okay. Write with pencil or you can write in your rough book. Then after checking the answer, you can write in the workbook with pen. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Children, do now alone. Next question is question number B, the last question. It's 9 into 8. All the children, okay, they know. Daniel, can you please tell what is this 9 into 8? 9 into 8. Please unmute and speak. Unmute and speak. 9 into 8.
Ma'am,
Ah,
72.
very good. 72. All the children know what is 9 into 8. Now we are taking how the pattern is moving. 99. Here we have double 8. Double 9, double 8. So how the answer is coming? 8, 7, 1, 2. 8, 7, 1, 2. Looking at this, we have doubt. Okay, how the next answer will be. So we will look one more time. So we have here in the pattern, we have which number is repeating? 9 is repeating 3 times and 8 is repeating 3 times. So here what is repeating in the answer? 8, 8. That is 8 2 times. 7 is not repeating. 1 is repeating 2 times. And what is the next number repeating? 2. Now we have to find out the next 2 digits. Anthony, can you please unmute and tell me what will be the question?
Ma'am, next 2 digits means 4, 9.
4, 9. Very good. We have here
4,
1, 2, 3. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Okay.
Into
And
4, 8
4, 8.
is equal to 3,
8 how
8,
many times?
3
3,
times.
8. Okay, very good. 3, 8.
7.
1, 2, 3. 7 is not repeating, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 1,
3,
how
1.
many times? 3, 1.
1.
Very good.
Then 2.
Then 2. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, now Dia, please unmute and tell me what will be coming the next. How the pattern? Look at the pattern and tell me. Yes, Dia.
Ma'am, 5, 9.
5, 9. Okay, so we can take like another. Okay, 5, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. And how many 8?
5, 8.
5, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Okay. Look here now. Here 3, 8. So in What will be here? How many 8 will be there? Yes?
There will be 4 8.
4, 8. 1, 2, 3,
4
4, 8. Then
4 8.
7 is not repeating. So write 7 one time. Then how many times 1?
1 7
7. After 7, here 3 ones.
and 4.
4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, ma'am. 1 is repeating 4 times.
Then last number will be 2.
2.
Okay. So here we are multiplying big numbers, but actually we are not multiplying. We are looking at the pattern. See in here first number we have 9 into 8. In the second number we are repeating 9 2 times. Here 8 2 times. Here we have how the pattern. This is given. The answer is given 8 7 1 2. So we are having doubt how this next will be. So they have given you one more time the pattern 3 9 3 8. Now this time we can understand that which is repeating in the answer. In the product 8 is repeating 2 times and 1 is repeating 2 times. So 7 and 2 we are just writing. So looking at this pattern, it is very easy for us to complete. 4 9 here, 4 8, and here we have only 2 8, so here it will be 8. Since 8 is repeating, that 8 is 3 times, and here 7. That same number 1 also repeating that same 3 times. And in the last question we have 5 9 5 8. So in the answer we have 4 8, then 7, 4 1, then 2. Okay. So you can, if you know this pattern, you can ask someone how fast you can do the multiplication. So the people, they don't know, if they don't know the patterns, they will think, okay, how fast you are multiplying. Yes? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you have, if you know the patterns, it's very easy to multiply. And okay. So we have finished.
Ma'am, this is the
chapter.
correct multiplication.
Yes. If you have any doubt, you can
Ma'am, these
multiply.
are the
You can multiply and check whether this answer is correct or wrong. You know multiplication, no?
Yes, ma'am.
And we have learned till like lakh,
Yes,
crore
ma'am.
and all. So this is only 4 digit. If you have any doubt, you can multiply and check whether our answer is correct or wrong. And if you want to know very fast, use calculator. Okay, calculator also will give you, then you can check whether this pattern is correct or wrong. Okay, children. So we have finished multiplication chapter 6. Can you take practice questions, all of you? Practice questions.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, till 3:50 only, you know this. So before that, can you do this question number 1 to 5 as homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Easy questions, 1 to 5.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so in this multiplication, we have learned first we started with properties of multiplication. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Who can tell me? Who can tell me the properties of multiplication in order? Yes, Agnay.
Ma'am.
Identity property.
Identity property.
Zero property.
Zero property.
Commutative property.
Commutative.
Associative property.
Associative.
Distributive.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Richard,
can I tell?
Richard, please unmute.
please?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell?
We are just revising now. We don't have that much time. And I want to show that Agnay, that day he was saying, no, these properties, I have shown you one video. He was not able to hear properly. So in the last, we have only 5 minutes. So I just want to show that also. Okay, Richard, what do you mean by identity property?
Ma'am, can I tell, please?
Okay, yes. Who was that?
Fia.
Fia. Okay, yes, Fia.
Identity property means multiply by 1.
Multiply by 1. Very good. So 1
Ma'am,
is called multiplicative identity. Okay. What about 0?
Ma'am, can I tell?
0 property. Yes, Fia,
And-
continue. Continue.
And Angelina.
Angelina, wait, please. Fia, continue. Yes.
Multiply by 0.
Yes, multiply by 0. And what about Angelina? What is mean by commutative?
Ma'am, when we multiply a number, when we just
Change the order. Yes,
change the
Change
order,
the
we will get the same answer.
same answer. The answer, the product will be same. Okay,
Same.
what about associative? If you change the grouping.
Change
Okay,
the
you change
grouping.
the
Grouping.
Okay, so that day I show you one video and you told
Yes,
me that
ma'am.
you are not able to hear properly. So I will show you that
couldn't
video
hear
again
that
so that
video
many
properly.
children after the vacation they forgot the properties. Looking at their face, I think some children they forgot what properties of
Properties.
multiplication. So I will
Properties
just
of
quickly show you that
multiplication.
video again. And
Okay, ma'am.
all the children, please mute yourself. And I want to check whether you can able to hear the sound properly.
Commutative property. Flip-flop those factors. Like 5 times 6 and 6 times 5 get the same answer. When you...
Agni, can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear the sound?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
look a little different, so be careful. Now let's move on. Associative property, y'all. When you have to multiply more than 2 factors, like 2 times 3 times 4. Where do you start? How you start? How? It doesn't matter. 2 times 3 or 3 times 4. Switch it up and group 4 times 3. Use these fancy things a group called parentheses. Flip, flop those factors. Commutative. Change the group in order. Associative. Break one factor down, yo, that's distributive. Times one's identity, and then there's zero property. Flip-flop those factors. Commutative. Change the group in order. Associative. Break one factor down, yo, that's distributive. Times one's identity, and then there's zero property. Distributive's my fave. Put on your brave face, cause it's kind of weird at first. That's why I'm taking this whole verse to help you conquer it. Word. He goes 7 times 8. Wait, I don't know my 7s or my 8s yet. Great. But you probably know your 2s and 5s, right? Yep, so what? So break down the factor 7 into 2 plus 5. Now what? 2 times 8 is 16, and 5 times 8 is 40. Now it's time to add them, shorty. What is 16 plus 40? Well, that'd be 56. That's it. Hashtag distributive. Flip-flop those factors. Commutative. Change the group in order. Associative. Break one factor down, yo, that's distributive. Times one's identity, and then there's zero property. Flip-flop those factors. Commutative. Change the group in order. Associative. Break one factor down, yo, that's distributive. Times one's identity, and then there's zero property. Every time you multiply by one in the price. says the same. Like 5 times 1 is 5, and 1 times 3 is 3. Identity. Hold up. What about 0, 0? You gotta give me that 0, 0, 0, 0. Yo. You gotta factor that 0, 0, 0. Well then. The product is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Flip-flop those factors, commutative. Change your group in order, associative. Break one factor down, that's distributive. Times one's identity, and then there's zero property. Flip-flop those factors, commutative. Change the group in order, associative. Break one factor down, that's just distributive. Times one's identity, and then there's zero property.
Okay, children, did you hear?
Ma'am, the best.
Okay, so we were just revising the properties of multiplication. By this, we finish this chapter, and I want all the children to revise the tables again, because Monday onwards we will start with division. Okay, children, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.